Okay, guys, let's go over some questions from the quiz that people struggled with. They're not ordered properly because I deleted some of the numbers, but this was the second one of the quiz. What is the momentum of a 1,300-gram block sliding with a velocity of 11.2 meters per second across a frictionless surface? The first thing you may realize to do, and you might want to check this out, is you need to convert it using 1/2, where what you want is kilograms. What you have is grams. You know this from your reference table. You make a fraction and you multiply, and you should get that. Okay, so we've got a mass equal to 1.3 kg. And let's call that mass block, mass B, because we're going to see in a second we come across another object. And then we've got another velocity, velocity B. And we're going to name it further in a second, but it's going to be 11.2 meters per second. Okay, so this is the first one. This one's so simple, I'm not going to bother. the same moving initial velocity, or the same block moving initially at the velocity mentioned in the previous problem, elastically, now that's important, let's highlight that, elastically strikes a 2 kilogram sphere that's at rest. Okay, so let's add our new object here. We've got a new object, it's a sphere. It has a mass equal to 2 kg, and it's at rest, so it's VSI equals 0 meters per second. That's velocity of sphere initial. And then let's go up here and let's edit this real quick. So that makes this our initial as well. Okay. If the collision causes the block to slide north at 2.3 meters per second, now here's where a lot of people got tripped up. This value is south. This value right here is north. So this is our block. Our block slides this velocity after the collision. That's the final velocity of our block. So VBF equals 2.3 meters per second. But these values are in opposite directions, so one has to be negative and the other is positive. And now all you simply do, guys, is plug it in. You're looking for, what are we looking for? Find the final velocity of the sphere. Okay, and it's the only thing missing. The VSF is missing, final velocity of the sphere. So let's do this real quick in another color. M B, sorry, B V B I plus M S V S I equals M B V B F plus M S V S F. And you've got all these values, guys. All you have to do is plug in. Well, you don't have all of them. You're missing one. You are missing, in fact, this guy right here. But everything else, you've got this, you've got this, you've got this, you've got this, you got this, you got this, you got this, and you just plug in. And it's a long mathematical process, but you can do it. All right, guys, thanks for